I visited Ponce de Leon Springs to do some snorkeling, but I wasn't expecting this. More about that later in the video. First, let me introduce you to Ponce de Leon Springs. This natural spring is tucked away in the woods of Ponce de Leon State Park in Florida. The state park which surrounds the spring is a great place to hang out with family, bring a picnic lunch, and enjoy the nice, cool spring water.
Just jump in. I jumped in. I'm fine. Hi. We have that.
The beautiful spring is named for Juan Ponce de Leon, who led the first Spanish expedition to Florida in 1513. As legend has it, in search of the fountain of youth. We must have found it because when I visit the spring, I feel like a kid again. Ponce de Leon Springs water temperature remains a constant 68 degrees year-round. The main spring combines two underground water flows and produces 14 million gallons of water daily. Ponce de Leon Springs became a Florida state park in 1970. The park preserves a beautiful natural setting along Spring Run and Sandy Creek, and nature trails that lead through the forest and along the flowing streams. Of course, my favorite outdoor activity is snorkeling, and I always enjoy seeing the many fish species that inhabit the natural springs of Florida, including largemouth bass, bluegill, sunfish, and more. For you fellow underwater photography enthusiasts, Ponce de Leon Springs has some beautiful underwater scenery. Now let's get back to what I found at the end of the spring. I like to explore as much as possible while snorkeling because you never know what you're going to find. I followed the spring out as far as I could and even had to cross several fallen trees along the way. Then I came across this huge open area with multicolored water which appeared to be very deep. I looked around a bit, and to be honest, I was leery about entering what appeared to be an abyss into who knows what. After leaving the spring, I quickly realized that this was where the Spring Run and Sandy Creek met, and the clear spring water was mixing with the creek's heavy rainwater runoff, creating all those beautiful colors. I have placed information and directions in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.